guys, welcome to my channel. This being the first video of my channel, I'll be showing you how I'll be making my version of an almond flour roti. This roti is also keto friendly and it's low carb. I've been using this roti a lot in my diet for the past 4 months. I'm still on the diet, but it helps me to keep the carb intake low. So I'll be showing you how I'll be making two versions. There's a egg version and one that is 100% vegan. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Hope you enjoy this recipe. We're going to be using Psyllium Husk powder, butter, this is salted version, almond flour, baking powder, and one large egg. Salt is optional if you don't have salted butter. This is for the vegan version, egg replacer, or you could use flaxseed. Let's get started. Here we'll be melting 1 tablespoon of butter in the microwave. You could melt it for about 20 seconds. You melt this before you throw in the other mixture. Set this for 20 seconds. Okay, here we have it, the melted butter, looks like oil. So now we'll begin to add our ingredients. We'll add 1 tablespoon of almond flour. This recipe is to make 1 large almond flour roti or wrap. So let's put 1 tablespoon of almond flour in here. Now we'll put our Psyllium Husk powder. We'll be putting 1 teaspoon of Psyllium Husk powder. And we'll be putting 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Now we'll put our large egg. You can use egg white as well, or just use the egg replacer if you want the vegan version. Flaxseed can be used as well. Now let's whisk this. Whisk until it gets to a texture like this. Like this consistency. Now we'll get a flat round plate or anything similar, and we'll pour our mixture onto this plate. And let's use this spatula to spread the mixture on the plate to form a large circular roti or wrap. There we go. Now let's put this in the microwave and microwave this for 2 minutes or 120 seconds. You can keep an eye on it, depends on the power of your microwave. So 2 minutes, and this is what it looks like. What you need to do is allow it to rest for about 2 minutes because it's very hot. I would say give it 5 minutes, and let's use a spatula to the edges and try to release the roti from the plate itself. Once you get around the edges, the rest of the parts will come off easily. go. Really easy. There you have it. Our almond flour roti or wrap. Perfect to fill in stew or curry or mixed with meat. Here we have it, guys, the almond flour roti. This is the egg version. Like I said, you could use the egg replacer or an egg substitute like flaxseed and so on. But this can be used as a wrap as well. If you don't want to use a roti, you can eat this with stews, curries, or even put vegetables inside and meat and also make it like a wrap. There you go, almond flour roti, and it's very tasty. So I hope you enjoyed that recipe video. I hope you give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, where you'll be notified when I post a new video. I'll try to post a new video every week. So that's it for this one. Until next time.